Welcome to Vlogmas number 6! So, we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review Vice Cosmetics na Duet palette. So, kung gusto niyo panood tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So, akala ko holiday collection lang mga pasabog ni Vice Cosmetics. No. So, eto siya. Ang Duet palette ng Vice Cosmetics, our Duet palette, meron all-in-one sa blush and eyeshadow. So, we are going to swatch it one by one later on. Right now, first up is the blush Duet palette nila. It comes with 3 variants. So, here are the swatches. First up, this is Potion. Second one is, this is Charm. And third one, this is Enchanted. So, here are all the shades of the blush Duet palette ng Vice Cosmetics. So, ito yung swatches ng kanilang Stargaze eyeshadow palette na kanilang mattes. So, ayan. First up is, I don't remember where. First up, this is Wish. Then, second shade is Whisper. Then, third shade is Serenity. And fourth shade is Dream. So, here all the swatches. Ang kanilang Silky Matte collection ng Stargaze eyeshadow duet ng Vice Cosmetics. It may 6 variants itong kanilang Aura collection. Actually, ito yung Aura collection nila. Actually, ito yung kanilang Stargaze eyeshadow palette na may luster. So, first up is Mystic. Ito yung shade ng Mystic. Second one, ito yung shade ng Astral. Third one, ito yung shade ng Aurora. Fourth one, ito yung shade ng Starlight. Fifth one, Halo. And lastly, Sea Stellar. So, here all the shades ng kanilang yung main shimmers na duet palette ng Vice Cosmetics. We're going to try Charm. So, mag-cream blush muna tayo. So, ay, pakak ang cream blush nito. Pakak. Ano pa lang, first base pa lang nito, pakak na ha. And we're gonna cover it up with this one. Okay. What a great combo with this one! I super duper love how they developed this one. I'm so in love. So, subukan natin si Enchanted sa kabila. Sabi light na daw to eh. Pero let's see on mine. Okay. Let's see on mine. This is a good blush to start off. Wow. This is a good blush to start off within. Then let's put the light ones. Grabe ha, blush. Grabe, Vice, pakak kayo. Kayo na ang pumakak sa level ng blushes ninyo. I super duper. Going to use the matte ones. Serenity gagamitin natin. Guys, yung eyeshadows nila, alam mo, eyeshadows ng Vice, panalo siya sa akin. Kasi, super pigmented na siya. Let's mix this shade. Pakak siya. I love it. Gamitin natin yung Malang Sleeping Beauty shade, si Aurora, to blend this out with our eyeshadow. Okay. Parang pupunta tayong party. With this one. This one, ang ganda. Super. Then we're gonna use the shimmers. Ay, shimmers nila. Shimmers. Alam nyo, winner ang shimmers nyo, Viceco. Winner talaga. Okay, Viceco, wala akong masabi sa collection ninyo. The blush. This 3 blush. I hope you release more shades of this. I super duper love it. Gusto ko yung isahan na lang. Ayoko ng gusto ko yung ito very travel friendly siya. Kasi, sama na ng cream and powder all in one. Para pag gusto mo ng cream first, then i-topper mo na yung powder. Wow. Very siya. But I like the shade. I like the shade Enchanted. If you want a nude blush and more. Kasi sa akin, ginamit ko rin si Charm. Gusto ko rin. Pero si Potion is more on a pinky mauve shade. Next is this matte palette. The matte palettes are so pigmented. Hindi siya nag-fall out on me and no patch after all. First layer, hindi mo na kailangan ng primer with this one kasi it blends pretty well with this silky matte na kanilang palettes nila. And of course, ito. Hope you do good. I hope na magstay kayo sa formula nito, Vice Cosmetics. This 6 variants of this, the matte and shimmer. If you want an eyeshadow palette na matte and shimmers, you better get this one talaga. So, all of it are 245 pesos. 245, 295 pesos whatsoever. So, this will be available today. Today, when I uploaded this vlog, actually, available na siya. Exclusively first on Shopee and in physical stores, available na siya. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys! Mwah!